Hey everybody, it's Josh from the Underground Garage. Want to do a quick video today on Optimum No Rinse and whether or not it works on a vehicle that has been vinyl wrapped, especially a car that has been vinyl wrapped in a flat color, matte, satin, a non-glossy finish. I recently had my 93 Mustang wrapped in a satin white, so we're going to try this stuff out on it and see if it makes it shiny or messes up the wrap or anything. Tried it out on the trunk of the car. It's very dirty. All I'm going to do, I just have some Optimum No Rinse mixed 256-1. That's just one capful from this guy mixed with a gallon of water, and that's what's in this sprayer. All right, let me pull it outside and look at it in the sun and we'll check it out. All right, out in the sun, this is the side I clean with the Optimum No Rinse. This side's still dirty. This is a leftover piece of vinyl from when they wrapped the car. So you can kind of compare the gloss, compare the sheen from this to this. I don't really see any difference. So I would say that the Optimum No Rinse is probably fine on a satin or a matte wrap in terms of adding unwanted shine or anything. It doesn't seem to have done that at all. I'm going to continue to use the Optimum No Rinse on the matte wrapped car. To me, it didn't seem like it added any kind of unwanted shine or anything like that, so I'm pretty happy with it. I don't know how it's going to affect the longevity of the wrap, so I guess we'll see as time goes on with that. That's all I got for right now. I appreciate everybody watching. Thanks. Have a good day.